Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you accidentally turned on SOS mode on your iPhone? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through turning it off quickly and easily. Let's get started. If you are currently in SOS mode, press the side button or top button on older models to end the emergency call. Head over to the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Emergency SOS. Joggle up the autocall option to stop your iPhone from automatically dialing emergency services if SOS is activated by mistake. While you are here, you can also disable call with side button if you find you are accidentally triggering SOS mode too often. Ensure you confirm the changes you've made and exit the setting app. And there you go guys, you've successfully turned off SOS mode and adjusted settings to prevent accidental activation. If this was helpful, feel free to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. Catch you next time. Bye bye.